when you see the reward of the patience that you bore because you were terminally ill, you will say to Allah, why didn't you keep me ill for a longer time? This is an amazing, beautiful reward. When you see the reward that Allah has kept in store for you for standing at night in prayer, for getting up against all odds in the cold weather, you will think to yourself, I should have done this longer, and I should have actually done this for a longer time and started earlier on in my life. May Allah grant us a turning point in the right direction. Ameen. So if you're not going to make an effort, it's not coming. Allah says, وَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَمَعَ الْمُحْسِنِينَ. Allah is the one who is with those who do good. You want to do good, you are really striving towards Allah, make an effort. It's not just lip service. Someone says, my brother, when are you going to do this? Talking about something you're supposed to do. Let me give you an example. When are you going to quit smoking? You say, inshallah. Inshallah. You know what inshallah means? What does it mean? If Allah wills. But the way you say it means a lot. Because if you just say, someone asks you, when are you going to quit smoking? You say, inshallah. That means I'm not quitting smoking. That's what it means. Because the way you said it, someone says, when are you going to be dressed appropriately? Say, inshallah, pray for me. I've had kids who've come and said, make dua for me. Make dua. You meet them a year later, even worse. What happened? Make dua for me. Then you meet them a year later, even worse. They tell you, Sheikh, you're not making dua. It's like you're blaming me because you haven't come right. Come on, man. You're blaming me. I'm sure if I see them 4 years later, they're going to say, Sheikh, you didn't make dua. Maybe if we see them in Jahannam, may Allah safeguard us. Well, we probably wouldn't because we don't want to be there. To see them in Jahannam, you got to be there, right? I always tell people, when you say, that guy's in Jahannam, this guy's going to hell, that guy's going to hell, you have to be there to have known who's there. Come on, guys. Right? As I don't doom people. You want to doom them, you are doomed before them. But what I mean is, such a person might even blame you to say, you know what? You didn't make strong dua for me, look where I am. That's not happening. That's not happening. وَلَا تَزِرُ وَازِرَةٌ وِزْرَ أُخْرَى. No one is going to take the burden of another. Each one of us, we're responsible for our deeds. I'm responsible for mine, you're responsible for yours. My brothers and sisters, this is why you need to make the effort. Don't just say, inshallah. Say, I've left it, I've quit it, here it is, it's gone, I've stamped it, that's the last cigarette, I'm never going to smoke again. Allahu Akbar.